To use electronic funds transfer, you will first need to add your bank account by connecting to your financial institution or uploading a void check. Sign into Qtrade Direct Investing. Go under Accounts, select Transfer Funds. Then select Electronic Funds Transfer. Select Add a new bank account, then click on Connect to your financial institution. Now, choose your financial institution. If you don't see yours listed, you can also search for it by name. Enter the username and password for your financial institution, then check the box and click Continue. It may take a few minutes to connect. You will also need to complete the personal verification steps. Now choose the account from which to transfer funds. You are notified when your bank account is successfully added. You can also add a new bank account by selecting Upload a void check. Enter the name of your financial institution, then upload an image of a void check or equivalent, following the guidelines provided, and click on Add. Once you've successfully added your bank account, click to expand the Electronic Funds Transfer section. Select the bank account you'd like to draw funds from. Select the Qtrade Direct Investing account that you'd like to transfer them to. Enter the amount, frequency, and start date. Then click Send Request. Please note it can take up to 10 business days for funds to show up in your Qtrade Direct Investing account. Questions? Contact us today at directinvesting@qtrade.ca or 1-877-787-2330.